going to share with you today has completely changed my entire outlook towards life. Hello everyone, I'm Siddhika. Welcome back to my channel, The Self Development. Here I usually share and talk about various resources that will help you live a better life. So in life we all have choices to make, like for example in college we all face this choice between continuously studying or having friends, and means if you continuously focus on your studies you will lose out on having friends. If you continuously roam around with friends you may lose out on your studies and your career. All this made me think as to what is a good way to live, and somehow right from childhood it has been ingrained in our mind that we cannot have it all, we cannot have everything, that even rich people suffer in their relationships, and poor people, although they are low on finances, they have a good relationships. So all this made me think, what is a good way to live? And my questions were answered when I saw this masterclass by John and Missy Butcher. They are a couple and they actually have it all. They have a good health, they have good finances, they have good social life, they have good personal relationships. They have it all. They have everything they possibly can have. And how are they doing it? How are they having it? What did they do different? So that is the reason why I watched this masterclass, and it was what they say is that there are basically 12 areas in life, and one needs to have a vision for all the 12 areas and grow in all the areas simultaneously. Only then can you have it all. And trust me, this is the first person in the personal growth industry who has literally said that motivation is crap. Motivation does not work. I mean, you can watch a motivational video, but you will only be motivated for so long. And after that, it will be gone, it will fade away. And if you keep watching the motivational videos again and again, it will only make you dependent on that. Whereas true motivation, the self motivation which people talk about, comes by having a life vision, a life purpose. This person exactly talks about having that particular life vision or purpose. Towards the end of the webinar, he has a small meditative practice also, in which he, doing that meditative practice, we can actually visualize our perfect life, that which is open to possibilities, and that life without any restraint, what our perfect life would look like. And not only that, this meditative practice is actually very close to me, because the first time I did it, it was a Mind Valley masterclass back then. Now it's available on YouTube. The first time I did this exercise, I kind of had a blackout about one of the areas. Means I was able to see myself have a goal in all the other areas except this one area, and I didn't understand why. So after consulting my psychologist, what she said was I was having uh, a blackout in that particular area because I had some unresolved issues in that area, something from my past that had disturbed me. So when I found that out, I actually went back into my past, found what it was, and I healed myself. I've forgiven myself for all the mistakes and whatever had happened, for the situation, everything. And only after that, when I again came and did this particular meditative session, only then was I able to see my entire life vision, having all the 12 areas. And it was so beautiful. It is just such an amazing experience to see where you want to be in life without any concerns of practicality. It is a 1.5 hour webinar, but it is worth investing your time and listening to what they are saying. I would highly recommend you go and watch this. And if you are blacking out in any one of the areas, don't ignore it. I would suggest find your way to heal yourself, to forgive the situation. And it doesn't matter what you see, but the point is that you should be able to see something in each of the categories. That's all. So I'll leave a link to the masterclass somewhere in your I button right now, and also in the description below. Do let me know how you like this video, and also how you like this masterclass, and also give this video a like and subscribe to my channel for more such life changing self development materials. Thank you for watching.